guys, so I'm ready. We're about to go to Walmart to go shopping, grocery shopping. And I'm gonna take you guys with me and let you guys experience my Walmart shopping for the Saturday. Alright, hey guys, so we're at Walmart and we're looking at stuff. I don't know what it's ginormous, and we're getting it when we get our own place. It's huge, and it's one of these smart TVs, so you can watch. Oh god, the TV the TV scared me. So you can watch Netflix on it. It's huge though. It's like a movie theater for your house. Like literally, like this is big, and this is only a 60. This is a 65.
See, this is one that's curved.
Oh, the curved one. I heard a lot about this one.
Almost all TVs are smart TVs.
I don't know how I'd feel about this curved one.
I kind of like it.
What if it was a 70 inch?
Oh, that'd be fucking awesome.
I mean, I get why. Okay, I don't know. I wasn't really getting the concept. No. Well, these are all DVDs.
Oh my gosh, look how close that was.
It's a bird.
Press. What is this?
This is the Millennium Falcon.
Oh, it's a speaker. Jeez. Anyway.